What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another unboxing video. As always, I hope you guys are staying safe and doing everything you can to not only keep yourself safe, but your loved ones as well. Alright guys, so I just got this box today. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see what's inside. Let's see here. Wow, this is harder than I thought, but here we go. Wow, this is quite a mission, guys, to do with one hand. I went ahead and sliced the side of the flaps to make it easier for me to open this thing up. So let's see. I've ordered a few things. Actually, I bought a few things from a friend of mine on Instagram. Check him out. He goes by Hunter _ collector 412. So check him out, guys. He's a pretty cool guy, and he sells items at a pretty fair price. And you know, be sure to tell him that I recommended you. All right, guys, let's check this thing out. I appreciate the packaging. Nice. Okay. So bear with me, guys. I'm getting there. Cool. All right, guys. So as you can see, it's the Hot Wheels Premium Nissan Diorama, which includes 4 pieces. Check out that one. Pretty cool. Comes with a Datsun Bluebird. Comes with a hauler. Pretty cool. And it comes with that one right there. It's a Nissan Skyline or a Datsun Brie. I'm not too sure. Kind of looks like the Brie. But anyways, guys, this is what we got. I love the diorama. Very, very cool. And let's see what else we got. He said he was going to send me a mystery piece. So let's see what we got. Oh wow! Gotta really appreciate this guy, man. I mean, he really packs these items up pretty good. I'm not going to win this battle, guys. Cool. Alright, guys, sorry about that. So this is what he sent me. Masters of the Universe, the Wind Rider. Pretty cool. I was a big He-Man fan when I was about 12. So this definitely brings back a lot of memories. So thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Again, his name is Hunter _ collector 412. Awesome guy, pretty cool guy. So that's what we got for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay safe, take care, and peace out, guys. I'll see you guys next time.